All right, guys, welcome back. Thank you so much for stopping by. I appreciate it. In the tool room, that means we got some tools right here in this package. I'm not gonna show you front or back because it's got addresses on both sides, but let's go ahead and open this up. There's only one thing it could be because you already know. Okay, maybe you don't know, but I think I know because there's nothing else it could be. So I'll just spoil the surprise. So what happened was my friend Steven from Ireland, not Mad Electrician, this video isn't about you, I'm sorry, but we can make a video soon if you want to. But Steven from Ireland, from the Klein Tools Collectors group, he posted on Instagram, hey, I got this new Knipex, however you want to pronounce it, Knipex, cutters, side cutters. So I was like, I don't need it, I don't want to spend money, but I want it. So I was like, can you send me one of those? Or two of them or whatever. So he went ahead and sent this over. Guess there's a package inside of a package. So hopefully you didn't see anything there. Okay, I guess it's already opened. Okay, so here it is. I don't know, they opened it or something. So anyways, here it is. It's in this box. It's limited edition, obviously. Otherwise, I probably wouldn't want it. I mean, if it was really cool, I would still want it. But very cool right here. Knipex, red, white, and blue, limited edition. And to be honest, I don't know anything about these. I just know they're super cool, limited edition. But I don't know where they're made. Maybe they're still in Germany, probably, but I don't know where they're sold exactly. I see some of them on eBay, so if you want some of these, you can get these off of eBay. But I just knew that he had them, and I was like, yo, send me some over. So this is what they look like. Very nice and warm, fresh out of the mailbox. So this is what they look like. They come all wrapped up, like, I don't even know how they got them in there. And then this is what they look like. Got a lot of oil on them. So this is what they look like. They feel like your normal comfort grips. Very nice. So they got blue on the top, red down the sides, Knipex on the side, limited edition, We Forge Winners on the front, Knipex on both sides, and nothing on the back. And then it says Knipex with a little logo right here on the back side. So these kind of look like the Ireland Klein mini side cutters right there, the green and orange ones from Ireland or United Kingdom or whatever, wherever those are sold or were sold. I don't think they make those anymore, but anyways, I believe these are not VDE or rated for 1000 volts. Those ones are, but very, very cool, made in Germany, Knipex 42337. So I'll try to give you guys a closer look, a tiny bit. I don't know if it's gonna focus or not, but there you go. I'm just gonna try to one take this video so I don't have to edit it. Anyways, Knipex on the back, and it's got pretty good size cutting range right there. And then we forged the winners, Knipex on the side. So very, very cool. I don't know, I haven't paid him yet for these, but he trusts me enough to send him money, so I appreciate that. I think you can get these on eBay for around $35 to $40, I believe. And I don't really know the normal price on tools anymore because I haven't bought any in a while, but I think normal side cutters are probably like $30 to $40 anyway. So very, very cool if you're in the market for some new side cutters. No one else will probably have these on the job site, so if someone steals them and they're using them, you're gonna know that they are yours. So anyways, very, very cool. And I do have a second set coming that I'll probably give away either for a birthday present or I'll do a giveaway on the channel. So anyways, stay tuned. Might be giving a pair of these away. We'll see. And then also, I think I have another giveaway coming up. But anyway, stay tuned to the channel. Thank you guys so much for the support. I appreciate it. As always, if you enjoyed, drop a like and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. I'll see you guys in the next one. Love you guys. Peace.